Welcome to AI Innovations. Today we are going to understand the concept of UX UI and see many people think like UX UI is a complicated thing, but I'm gonna make it easier for you. So let's get into it. UX stands for user experience. Like it's all about what a user feels while using your website, your service. Is it delightful, frustrating, confusing, or smooth? Right? Simply. UI stands for user interface. That's the usual buttons, color, in fonts, icons. In simple language. Example, like imagine this, like you are hungry and you want to order a pizza. If you can find your favorite pizza in 2 clicks, track the delivery and pay quickly, then that's called good UX. If the buttons are clear, colorful, there is no any complicated thing in any of that page, and then that's called great UI. Let's move further and know the 6 laws of UX UI. The first law is Hick's law. Okay, as you can see, the law states that the time it takes to make a decision increases with the number and complexity of the choices. And the more options you show to someone, the harder it becomes for them to make decision. So this law says that keep choices limited on every screen, so consumer cannot get confused. Like imagine, as you can see in this photo, opening a food app which is bombarded with 50 categories. Confusing, right? Because our brain slow down when there are too many options. So we should limit choice per screen, use filter option, categories and disclosures that show more only when needed. Second law is Fitts law. This law states that the time to reach a target depends on its size and distance. Like users can quickly tap on big close buttons, right? But struggle if they are small and very far, like you can see in this photo. You have to make sure the buttons like submit now, order now, or buy now are large and easy to access. In this picture you can easily see this. The next law is Jakob's law. Means that people like what feels familiar. Like think of Instagram. The heart icon on the Instagram means like, and paper plane means share. So if another app uses, like whatever you are making and that website uses this kind of buttons like share, so stick to some common, let some common icons be common. Stick to common icons, layouts and navigation pattern. Don't try to reinvent everything. You have to make it easier for users to understand, not complicated. So Jakob's fourth law is Miller's law, which is the law also known as the law of memory. You know, our brain can only handle 7 things at a time. If there is too much information, we forget or get confused. So we have to understand that instead of showing 20 instructions at once, like in a workout app or any language learning app like Duolingo, have to break the lessons into short fun steps so users can stay focused. You have to break content in small parts, use short paras, clear headings and helpful visuals. Fifth law is the law of proximity, means a grouping matter. This law states that elements that are close together are perceived as related. You know, our brain naturally group things that are near to each other. So if labels are far from the field, users get confused. So for that you have to use space and alignment wise lineup form. Place the label right above the next to the input field or not far away, like name, then your last name, your phone number. Everything should be in a sequence. Like if the username and password fields are placed far apart, users may not realize that they belong to the same login form, right? So you have to make sure of it. So we have to group elements together. The sixth law is the law of hidden complexity. Every system has some complexity. Like for example, a food delivery app handles a lot in the background: location, restaurant, timing and payment, but the user only see three simple steps: choose, pay and track. So don't show everything at once. Use clean layouts, progress bar and tooltips to guide users smoothly. To apply all these 6 laws, these 6 laws will help you as a UX UI designer to make your designs easier to use, more beautiful and user friendly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Take care.